See, we just arrived at our Dolphin Quest. Mom in Brooklyn just checked in. Look at the dolphins! Ooh! That's who you're gonna swim with. What do you think, Brookie?
Okay.
You excited?
And then name a coach.
Coach? I think they'll probably tell you her real name. Mom, get over there. Let me take a video of you guys in front of the lagoon. Whoa!
That water's warm.
Mom hopes the water's warm. I don't think it is. Oh, look at him over there, Brookie. Hey, he came to say hi. Wave to him. So here's Dolphin Quest. It's basically right on site at the resort. I forget the name. It's like the Kahala Resort. Looked really nice. We walked through the lobby, but you can see the rooms can literally just look over at the dolphin exhibit. Bit windy out here, so hopefully you can hear me. Nice little shack here. Got some souvenirs. Little check-in booth. And then right now, over here is where Mom and Brooklyn are hanging out, waiting for their session to start. Just watching the dolphins pop up. Let's see if they come up. I don't know if they're still in here, if they move to the other pen. Oh, there they are, right there. Hey!
What do you think?
Jack likes the dolphins. Or maybe it's the wind. He likes the wind in his
Here
hair.
they go. Here it comes.
There he is. Kind of in a little bit of a wind tunnel over there. The wind just funnels through, but we're just going to walk. There's a cool little waterfall over here I'm going to go take a picture of on this resort. So we'll see. Jack's with me. Got the wind in his hair. If you want to see how windy it is, just look at his hair. There's the waterfall. Probably the best waterfall we saw all vacation. It goes underneath. It looks like it flows over to the lagoon. I don't know if it's connected or not, but it kind of appears like it would be. Over here, I'll show you real quick. It looks like there's another family doing their swim right now. Very windy. I'm sure you can probably hear it. Oh, look it. See the dolphin posing with them? Pause for a second. Oh, that's cool. Mom and Brooke are doing one of them, and there should be a group of them doing it. I'm not sure exactly what. I think they get 20 or 25 minutes with the dolphin. So we'll have to try to get some footage of it, and I'll play it next. Put your mask on. Let's see you guys. Mom's looking good in the mask. Brooke, let's see what you look like. Looking good, honey. All right. There goes Brookie and Mommy into the water. Look at the dolphin. it, Brooke? Good?
Loved it.
What did the dolphin feel like? Slimy! Was the water warm? No, cold?
It wasn't that.
That one was colder that cold.
Oh, really? All right, so we're heading back from Dolphin Quest. Mom in Brooklyn. What was your favorite part of it?
I liked when the dolphin jumped out of it and it flipped and got us all wet. And I like to pet the dolphin too.
Mom, what was your favorite
Did you
part?
like feeding the dolphin all those dead fish?
Yes, but those are cooked.
No, they're raw.
Ew!
That's what they. It was cool to see them eat because they literally swallow them whole. There's like a hole in the back of their mouth, and they just like slip right down.
Yeah.
Right?
Mom, what was your favorite part?
I would choke.
What was my favorite part? I don't know. I liked it all. I don't think I had a favorite part. It was all fun.
Awesome. So Dolphin Quest was a hit in Brooklyn, of course. Got a dolphin.
Which
stuffy.
dolphin?